back. Last time I don't quite know where we finished, but we will see. So I go on localhost. In the command line interface, I commanded on, I navigated onto the path where my server.js file is, and I pressed npm start. And now we get started. We enter our username, we continue, then we start the subscription. Okay, my email is already inserted. Then we type in the test number 42424242. Type in some month and some other name, then put in something. And yeah. I don't quite know why this happens, but we will ask AI, I think. There was a file where there was a success declared. In the webhook.js file. Maybe it's in the server.js file. No, that's not it. Okay, then we just ask AI. Okay, it works better now, but when I fill in the name, fill in the Stripe subscription. I fill in the Stripe subscription. I get led back to the subscribe.html. I need the app.html to be shown after filling out subscription. Alright, Sebastian, now that Stripe checkout works, the only reason you get sent back to subscribe HTML instead of app HTML is this your webhook is not activating the subscription in the database. Okay, yeah. So even though Stripe payment succeeds, your app thinks the user is not subscribed. Let's fix this cleanly and permanently. The B shows the problem. Both users have subscription active false. Fix your webhook. Webhook.js. Can we insert just the whole file? Add this function to Stripe subscription. Okay. I guess just Control A, then I delete, then Control V to insert. in case anyone is more lost with computers than I am. Add this function to subscription.js. After this fix, the flow works perfectly. Okay. Subscription.js. Activate subscription by customer ID. Wait, subscription looks like this. Your webhook must be like this. But I think I've already copied it. Let's just see whether or not it will rerun. I'll just go back to local host. Get started. Insert this. Start subscription. Okay, then we go to 4242424242424242. My full name is yeah, this is weird. Okay, user database. Okay, maybe we first copy this, then put it in the webhook.js. And let's restart that. And if it won't work, then I can complain. Local host, get started. Hello. Start subscription. 4242424242424242. 555. Bam bam bam. Okay, I guess this is my name now. Okay. Okay, so it does not work. So now we need to complain. Okay. Okay, but this does not work. Now we get sent back to subscribe. .html and we will need with the database file and the database file looks like this. Got you. This DB state is the Smoking gun, what the fuck? The webhook is not updating anything at all. So either the webhook is not being called, or it is being called but it can't see the body event. It's wired to the wrong URL in Stripe. Let's stop guessing and pin it down. Add brutal logging to your webhook.js. Make it look like this. Webhook.js. Okay. Now we need the other file. So before express.json comes in, we need this JS. Okay, wait, I just want to give him the can you correct me this file? You mounted the webhook correctly, but you also mounted app.useExpress.json, app.useBodyPath.json. These override the raw body that Stripe needs. So even though the webhook root is first, the JSON parsers still run globally and destroy the raw body before Stripe can verify it. This is why your webhook never activates the subscription. Correct server.js file. Oh wait. Where's this? Okay, let's restart it and see what will happen. npm start. Okay. This does not look so bad. Localhost start. Hello. Start subscription. Then we type in no, fuck. Shit. Okay. This is a bit problematic. Let's see what the command. This is the command line output. Do a Stripe test checkout. Watch the terminal. You should now see. This is the command line output. and this is the DB file. Where's the DB file? Users. Copy this. Delicious cinnamon coffee. I really like that. Okay, webhook is not firing at all. Not firing but failing, not firing but not matching the user ID, not firing but wrong customer ID. It's not being called even once. It must be exactly check the aim. Okay. How can I confirm my webhook URL and Stripe? You can confirm your webhook URL in Stripe in 2 different places depending on whether you're using Stripe Dashboard or Stripe CLE. I'll walk you through the steps. Thanks AI for walking through the steps. You're the best. Webhook. Wait, let's change this. Yeah, no, I can. No, I don't see anything. Okay, fuck that. We go here to developer. I make this page in English so you can also understand it. Developers. No, wait. Webhooks. Add goal. Okay. On the Stripe page, when do I need to go to developers? Where to find your webhook settings in Stripe. Go to the Stripe dashboard, click developers. Under developers, click webhooks. Okay. Go to webhooks. Now you see a list of webhook endpoints. Wait. what shell command can I input? Stripe listen. I need a second terminal. Is this maybe? And then we have this key. Then we get this key, maybe it changed, I don't know. And then webhook secret. But it looks the same as before. And then let's restart maybe. Then I go to this, get started, put in this, continue, start subscription. Then I type in 42424242424242 555. No, this is not it. Is there anything in the command line interface? Okay. Okay, this seems to be like a serious issue now. Developers webhooks. This is the page I get. Okay. So okay, then we need to tell this. This is what I get when I go on Stripe developers. Perfect, you're in the right place, Sebastian. Content Stripe isn't showing you the actual webhook endpoints list yet because you're still on the overview page. Let me guide you through. Currently on. No, I cannot access this when I click on webhooks. I stay at this page. Okay, you have no webhook endpoints created yet. Okay, I guess this is good. When Stripe has 0 webhook endpoints, the webhook page does not show the table. It only shows the quick start learn how to set up webhooks screen. This is normal, so don't worry, nothing is broken. You just need to create your first webhook endpoint. Well, I'll walk you through it step by step. How to create your webhook endpoint in Stripe dashboard. Follow this exactly. Go to this page, okay. Wait, then we maybe translate it to English. Oh wow, this looks better now, no? Yeah, this looks better now. At endpoint. Wait, maybe this. Okay, this is what I see when the link. Ah, fuck. Shit. Too fast, too quick. I make medicine sick. Ah, why is it in English and German? This screenshot tells me everything I need to know. You're not in the normal webhook section of Stripe. You're inside the Stripe web not testing tool, not the webhook configuration page. This is why you don't see the webhook table, the endpoint, add endpoint button. But probably this is the same page I was before, which would not help me in any kind. Okay, so it seems I have made some money with this. Wow, made a lot of money. That's so weird. Okay, payments. Okay, the left sidebar, click developers. Then on the webhook, click webhooks. Okay, I see this, but can I use the goal button? Okay, so we should not click the add goal button. Okay, sorry guys about that. I had to take a dump real quick. Okay. Under developers, webhooks. Now we are here. Close workbench. Okay. Um, okay, can you give me the direct link? Okay. I only see what will happen when I press the add goal button, will then do something problematic. You're safe, pressing add goal will not break anything, but it also won't help you at all. Add goal does nothing for real webhooks. It does not create a real webhook endpoint, it won't fix your problem, it won't activate your webhook, it won't send events to your server, won't break anything, add goal. Where is the Stripe logo in the top left corner? Maybe we can do this via the command line interface. Can we try to do this via CLE? Absolutely, yes, we can do entire webhooks setup via CLE. Open second terminal. Then I have already done that. I have already done that. This output finally gives us the exact root cause. And we now can fix it cleanly. Let's break down what Stripe CLE is telling you. Post HTTP localhost webhook. Your server is running. Stripe is sending events, but your server respond with not found. So your webhook root is not registered at /webhook. Your webhook never fires, so DB never updates. Subscription active stays false. You get redirected back to subscribe HTML. Problem is not Stripe. The problem is your Express server is not exposing the webhook root at webhook. The fix, your webhook root is not mounted correctly. Your server.js currently has this is correct. The problem is one of those. Okay, we need to give him the webhook.js file. And the webhook.js file here. It costs you. This is inside your, no, what, but inside your router you defined router webhook. This means your actual endpoint becomes a webhook. Stripe is sending events to you. Express correct webhook.js. Okay. Yeah. Okay, let's hope. Hey, this is really weird. Oh, now it worked. We're at the app file, yeah, app HTML now. Okay. Okay, payment succeeded. Okay, wait, now we need to check this. Local landing, yeah, get started, and then continue. Welcome to the app. Okay, so it works now perfectly. Okay, it works now, comma, I can log in, and this is the DB file. Where's the database file? Okay, it's set to true. This is very nice. Okay, so this looks good. Your webhook is firing perfectly. Your log shows Stripe is reaching your server. Raw body is intact. Signature verification succeeds. Okay. So guys, I think we have done it. I'll kind of try to clean up next week so we have a clean GitHub repository you can then use to yeah, implement your own stuff with this payment. And I also want to add like a normal page where you can just you have what is it called, advertisement, and nobody needs to pay anything.